Hey guys, how's it going? Basically, how to vote with a language barrier. So first of all, look for voter guides and materials in your preferred language. Many election offices provide translations. If possible, bring a friend or family member who speaks the language fluently or to assist you. Check if your local polling place offers language assistance or bilingual poll workers. Familiarize yourself with the ballot candidates using translated materials before voting. Do not hesitate to ask poll workers for help if you encounter difficulties. Many are trained to assist voters. If your area allows early voting, it can provide a less crowded environment to ask for help. Many states offer online resources or phone hotlines for multilingual assistance. By being prepared and seeking help, you can navigate the voting process more easily. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload.